Animating using the Transform tool. From now on, the Transform tool will become your most useful tool. You will use it to do most of your animation. To animate with the Transform tool, in the timeline view, go to the frame where you want to animate your first pose. At this point, it's generally the first frame. In the Tools toolbar, select the Transform tool and enable the Animate mode. In the camera view, select the part you want to animate and using the Transform tool's anchor points, move it to its new position. With the Transform tool, you can select Move, Scale, Rotate, Skew, Squash, and Stretch. You can also select your current selection's parent layer by using the default keyboard shortcut B. If you press on it repeatedly, you will go up the entire parent chain until the master peg or the highest layer in the tree. If you need to, you can temporarily move the Transform tool's pivot to provide a better rotation or scale center. Simply drag it to where you need it. Next time you select your element, it will be back to its original place. The pose you are doing is automatically retained. There is no need to set a keyframe before moving your parts. As soon as you move an element in your camera view, a keyframe is set on its current frame in the timeline view. Remember, animation keyframes and drawings are not the same thing. If you swap a drawing, you do not need to insert a keyframe in your timeline. Once your first pose is ready, move on to your next key pose. We recommended that you collapse your master peg and add a keyframe after your pose is set. This will lock all the parts in place. In the timeline view, move to the frame where you want your second pose. Select the pose and press F6. To flip between the keyframes of the selected layer, use the Page Up and Page Down keyboard shortcuts.